with a language we all understand, with an equal opportunity for all to sing and clap their hands. Whoa, just because a record has a groove don't make it easy. You can tell right away from left to A when the people start to move, 'cause they can feel it all over. They can feel it all over, people. They can feel it all over. They can feel it isn't always true. It's one of the things that I just wanna bring. Here are some of music's pioneers. Time will not allow us to forget. Oh, so does they sing their CHIJMES and the king of all certain. I really was like animals hanging out. You don't know, but back there you know this song, and then you go Google it, and then listen to all 500 of them. Okay? No, I'm kidding. You already know all 500 of them. That's I promise. The moment I wake up, before I put on my makeup, I say a little prayer for you. Or comb in my hair. Love this team energy. Going back to Taiwan. Alright. You know that you hit Tuesdays all the way through to Saturdays. I'm here from Wednesday to Friday. I'll be here tomorrow day after Saturday night. It's the new Soliano up there on the wall, the yellow poster. Tuesday night we have special guest band. The Dunes on Tuesday. So come and check us out. We'd love to have you. And I'm just going back after a whole month away, so come hang out with me a little bit more, okay? Packed up all my care and woe. Here I go, singing low. Bye-bye, blackbird. Where somebody waits for me, sugar sweet, so sweet. Bye-bye, blackbird. No one here can love or understand me. Oh, what hard luck stories they all have. Make my bed like a light. I'll ride it tonight. Blackbird, bye-bye. Come back tomorrow night, okay? I'll be back tomorrow night. We hope to see you then. Have a wonderful night. Don't drink and drive, okay? And be kind to animals, even if they are your spouses. Until we see you again, take care. Be well. Be cool. Come back really soon. One last time, show your love and Anson go on the drums. Eugene Chew on the bass. Sean Come Wiggy on the saxophone. Mario Shea on the piano. Thank you very much. We really enjoyed having you, but now I'm afraid it's time to say
Alame Fernandez. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great rest of your evening and week, and we'll see you the next time around. Thank you. Alame Fernandez.
Thank you so much. Good night.